A very warm welcome to my channel Ritu Garg Maths Classes. Today in this video we are going to continue with the topic of solution of non-homogeneous linear differential equation. This topic we had started in the video lecture 3. So in today's lecture we will be taking up key points and another question. Let's see the key points. Complete solution of the differential equation is CF plus PI, complementary function plus particular integral, where particular integral is equal to 1 by FD into Q, where Q is a function of X. ये Q आपको मिल जाएगा होमोजीनियस, जहाँ आपकी नॉन होमोजीनियस इक्वेशन है उसमें RHS में दिया होगा. नंबर 2 पॉइंट 1 by FD into e raised to power AX is equal to, while solving particular integral you may come across this. So how to solve this? So it will be equal to, just replace this d derivative by the value of a. So it will be 1 by f of a into e raised to power ax, provided f of a is non-zero. As you can see, denominator should be non-zero, only then we can take up this value. But if f of a comes out to be 0, then what happens? It is a case of failure, and in that case we take this value 1 by fd into e raised to power ax as x into 1 by derivative of fd into e raised to power ax. So let's take up a question to understand these key points in a better way. Solve d cube plus 1 whole of y is equal to 3 plus e raised to power minus x. First of all, let us recognize whether it is homogeneous or non-homogeneous differential equation. As you can see, these are all derivatives involved in the terms of y. So here it is a differential equation, but RHS is not 0. It is a function in term of x. So therefore it is a non-homogeneous differential equation. So let's write down the solution. Recognition बहुत ज़रूरी है पहले कि होमोजीनियस है या नॉन होमोजीनियस. होमोजीनियस है तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करोगे, नॉन होमोजीनियस है तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग. So I am going to write down given differential equation. First of all is d cube plus 1 whole of y is equal to 3 plus e raised to power minus x. Let's write down this equation in the symbolic form. It's already done. So auxiliary equation we can make is d cube plus 1 is equal to 0. Whenever you are solving this linear differential equation, you get the auxiliary equation in which you have to take this derivatives only. So now we have to solve for the values of d from here. D cube plus 1, this 1 can be written as 1 cube. So it becomes a formula of a cube plus b cube. Now let me simplify this by making the factorization, because a cube plus b cube, I am writing down the formula. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. So this is the formula what I am going to use over here. So it becomes d plus 1 into d square plus 1 square, that is 1, minus d into 1, that is d, is equal to 0. So I get either d plus 1 is equal to 0 or d square minus d plus 1 is equal to 0. So now I will be solving these two equations. Solving the first equation, I get the value of d as minus 1. So this is one of the roots, and on this side you can see splitting the middle term is not that easy. So I am going to use the quadratic formula. Minus b plus minus under the root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So when I solve it, it becomes 1 minus 4 minus 3 divided by 2. So it becomes 1 plus minus root 3 as such, under root of minus 1 becomes iota divided by 2. So you can say I get the values of d as 1 by 2 plus minus root 3 by 2 iota. This is one of the real values and these are the imaginary values. Therefore complementary function is c1 into e raised to power m1x m1 की जगह क्या आ रहा है -1, सो इट इज़ -x प्लस अब ये आ गया आपका अल्फ़ा प्लस माइनस आयोटा बीटा. अल्फ़ा विल बी यूज्ड हेयर e रेज टू पावर 1/2 इंटू आपके पास नेक्स्ट जो टर्म आती है वो आएगी बीटा के टर्म्स में c2 इंटू कॉस बीटा x प्लस c3 sin बीटा x. Here we are having in place of beta √3/2. This we had already done in the case of homogeneous equations. So it is alpha plus minus iota beta e raised to power alpha into constant cos beta x plus next constant sin beta x. So complementary function is ready. ये आपको हमेशा auxiliary equation से मिल जाएगा. Now I am going to solve for particular integral. Now particular integral is equal to, ये हमने डिस्कस किया था की पॉइंट्स में, इट विल बी 1/fd इंटू क्यू. 1/fd function in derivatives is d cube plus 1 into q, the function in terms of x which is given on RHS. So let's split the term. 3 times 1/d cube plus 1 plus 1/d cube plus 1 into e raised to power minus x. ये दो टर्म्स थी, स्प्लिट कर लिया. अब यहाँ पे देखो e की कोई पावर नहीं आ रही, सो इट कैन बी रिटन एज e raised to power 0x. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू यूज 1/fd इंटू e raised to power ax. चेक करेंगे कहीं इसको डालने से डिनोमिनेटर 0 तो नहीं बन रहा. इफ़ आई पुट इट हेयर इट बिकम्स 0 क्यूब प्लस 1. e रेज टू पावर ax से कंपेयर किया, a की वैल्यू 0, उसको आपने d में डालना है एंड देयर इज़ नो प्रॉब्लम. बट इफ़ आई पुट x का जितना कॉफिशेंट है दैट इज़ a, इफ़ आई पुट -1 इन प्लेस ऑफ d, so -1 cube -1 plus 1, this will become 0. So it is a case of failure. In case of failure we have to take x into 1 by derivative of this, so that becomes 3d square into e raised to power minus x. This can be written as 3 divided by 1 is 1 into e raised to power 0x. e raised to power 0 is also 1, so it is 3 only, plus x into, now again I have to put down the value of a. Successively you have to put down the value of a. अब a का वैल्यू है आपके पास -1. Put it here, it becomes 3 into -1 square e raised to power minus x. So finally we are getting 3 -1 square is positive plus x by 3 into e raised to power minus x. Now let's make the complete solution. Complete solution is y is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Complementary function c1 e raised to power minus x plus e raised to power, यहाँ पे आपके पास 1/2 था तो यहाँ आपने ये लिख के रखा हुआ है 1/2. रादर इट शुड बी x/2. यू कैन टेक इट एज e raised to power alpha x, so it will be e raised to power x/2. You can take it that way also. c2 into cos √3/2x plus c3 sin √3/2x. This is the value of complementary function plus particular integral 3 plus x by 3 e raised to power minus x. I hope you have liked my video. Please do share with your friends and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.